Everybody knows that content is king, but what are the do's and don'ts of blogging? The first thing that comes to mind is to not focus on SEO. Best way to SEO is to not focus on SEO. Sounds backwards, right? So what I mean by that is focus on the message first. All of my in-house writers, when we work on an account, what I tell them is to focus on the message. What problem are we solving? Now, a lot of studies will say long-form content is better, which I agree with, and in our own A/B testing has proven to be true. But you know what's more important than lengthier content? Content that actually addresses a problem. So focus on your messaging first. I think the biggest thing to do is understand the intent. Like, why are you writing? What problem does the article serve to begin with? And focus on that. Because if solving that problem ends up coming out in 800 words, but in your mind you think you need to do 1,000 words, well, now you're going to add an unnecessary 200 words that dilutes the message that you're trying to get across to your audience, which dilutes credibility, which increases the bounce rate and causes all these other technical SEO metrics. So the most simple thing to focus on in optimizing your content strategy is really focusing on the intent of the content more than the keyword count. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot in today's video. Don't forget to like the video. That gives me feedback so I know what more topics to produce. What more topics is a phrase, right? Click the subscribe button and enable that little notification bell right there so you also know when I drop a new video.